Everybody, it's Gina here from Gina Makes It. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am sharing a flip through of my newest journal that I created using some vintage fabric and a vintage greeting card. I have been so inspired by these beautiful fabric journals I have been seeing online and on social media that I had to make a version of one for myself. I guess you could say that I'm sort of in my quote unquote Grandmacore phase of my life. And for those of you who don't know what Grandmacore is, it's one of these silly little aesthetics that Pinterest and social media creates to sort of identify imagery associated with a certain lifestyle. And there is one that is called Grandmacore that has nothing to do with being an actual grandma. It has more to do with how you are trying to approach life and what your hobbies are. And I have to say that I am definitely aligned figuratively and literally with this whole aesthetic. And so this journal, I feel, really kind of embodies that. And I was really excited and happy to make this. It's been kind of a while since I've made a new journal and made one with such excitement, in fact. And this one was definitely one that I couldn't wait to put together. So right now I'm just kind of gluing down some washi tape that flipped up. When I am sewing in my signatures, if I have two pages that aren't connected, I do connect them with washi tape, and sometimes that washi tape flips up like it did right here, and so I'm just adding a little layer of fabric tack to make sure that it lays down nice and flat. So as you can see as I'm flipping through, this journal is a beautiful collection of hand-dyed papers, avocado dyed and dandelion dyed, some vintage books that have deeper meaning for me, some scrapbook paper that I've been hoarding for entirely too long and that I decided that I just need to use it, as well as some other vintage textiles that have been holding a special place in my heart. Now, this book signature I included for the front image and not this image. And I realized as I was flipping through that I had forgotten to cover this image. So I am just going through some little pieces of ephemera and little journals that I made to see if I have anything that would cover it up perfectly. And I do find a piece of scrapbook paper that I end up covering that picture with. I'm not so much concerned with my journaling reflecting the season anymore. I went through a period where my journaling was very much aligned with the seasons, but these days I'm finding that I'm enjoying journaling that's aligned with my lifestyle and the things that I like and the things that I gravitate to. So that's really what inspired me to create this journal. The last page is an old record sleeve that I got from an estate sale that I used to cover the back inside cover, and it also created a neat little pocket that I can put some things in as I am journaling. I hope this video finds you well. I do have another journal with me video coming very soon that I filmed right after I filmed this one, and it shows me decorating the first few pages of this journal in case you're interested. Be on the lookout for that one. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope this season of life is finding you well. See you next time.